we have crossed how many cars? 21 cars. We have overtaken 21 cars and we are driving full speed off-road. So we are going to cross those cars again. Yeah, we are going to overtake them again. Traffic.
There's so many cars, right?
Selamat menang jauh. Selamat. 21, 22, 23 cars. We have crossed 23 cars. 23 cars. We crossed them also. Best way to drive on the way from Kokrajhar highway to Saralpara is put on 4th gear or 3rd gear. Don't care about anything, just drive. Just drive and drive. Dan disang lah sisa lagan, disang avoid kalamgan, useless deh. Sisi salaman. Gelap gear, 3rd gear, 4th gear over. Mana kena gear, minta naik rau kuba, salai lo. Gaya itu baik gear lah, jadi lah benar. Ini, babre, jar lah ni, dangerous ni, angkara. Yes, last time we were driving in the water, right? In the river. And this time we are driving towards Saralpara. And this is our 17th time, right? And we have crossed already 24 cars on the road, on the way. Yeah, there are more cars in the front. We will also overtake them. Overtaking kalamnya overspeeding sana na. Like overtaking in the sense like we are not overspeeding or something. We are just driving at 40 speed and 50 speed. But it's very difficult to drive 40-50 speed in Saralpara. This road condition is very bad. The road condition is horrible. The road is horrible. So once you drive it at 40-50 speed, you'll cross almost the entire cars on the road. Because people are driving very slowly, avoiding all the potholes, broken roads, boulders, like sharp rocks and all that. People are trying to avoid those because they are driving very slowly. Gana jala bele, terus luar. Alda sedih kan nambah. Okay, we'll keep it for a while, okay? Video afterwards, sometime, okay, Alice? Okay, Alice? Are you okay? You want to say something? Okay. 24 cars. So there are 2 more cars ahead of us. We'll cross them. We'll cross them as well. We'll overtake them, Alex. We'll overtake them. Now 25?
Yes. There's more cars. There are more in the front.
Last saal nanti belum nih, kayak belum. What did you say? Happy New Year? Yeah, Happy New Year. May you have all the success. Good luck.
Yeah.
Butterflies, butterflies.
What is that green?
It's a plastic maybe? Yeah, it's a plastic.